welcome to your enrollment kits for fall 2022. We're doing something exciting this season. Before we used to have 3, now we're elevating it to 4. We have the first level, the 2 level is divided into 2 different styles, and then we have the big jumbo kit. So let's go ahead and check them out so you guys can see what you're really about to dive into. Again, my name is Rochelle. I'd be honored if you joined me or Team Possible. I'm actually known for onboarding you bag babes if you decide to join with me, but as always, let's just get to the fun stuff, right? So this is our first kit. This is the basics kit. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in here, and this one you get to personalize one. It would be the large utility tote. Again, this one says the essentials, but this is our #1 product. You get our #1 purse with a matching wristlet. Check out the color blocking with that. You have one of our best-selling thermals, our essentials tote, and then our zipper pouch, which if you bag babes know, that's my #1 item, as I said. Now the level 2, as I mentioned, it's split into 2. Depending on how you want to work your business and how it suits you, this is our fan faves on the go kit. All right, you got our large utility tote. Again, you get to personalize these 2 products. Large utility tote, you have our hanging traveler, Benjamin's wallet, your zipper pouch, your weekender bag, and then you have your essentials tote, and then that thermal. So as you can see, these kits build on each other. So you have the basics, and then they add to it. All right, so let's go see. This is the second one, fan fave, but this is considered at home. You got your Benjamins with your wallet, your large utility tote, your fold thermal. This one is the one you get to personalize, which is our desk home organizer, your zipper pouch, your essentials. This is the Zout, another tried and true, but then you also have this large organizer that you can stick underneath any bed. And then let's go ahead and head over. This is the ultimate goal getter kit. This is the best value, okay? You get like over $800, $700 plus in materials. Again, they build on each other. So we saw this on the home. We saw this again, the Zout, your zipper pouch, hanging traveler case, your weekender. You have your, I love the color blocking, all about the benches with the wristlet. We have your fold over thermal. This is new for this kit, which is your boutique backpack or your boutique bag. Then you get your round cooler for this one, thermal. You got your backpack right here. You have your essentials tote, your large utility tote, and then you have your large tuck away bin. Okay, so again, it builds on each other. You get to pick your prints. Yes, you get to pick on your personalizations on the ones that they're allowed. So again, these are the different kits that you have, and I'm so excited that you guys get to see this in person. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Information is down below. Always connect with me. I'm always available, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bag babes, take care.